Imagine having an invisible shield that protects your energy, keeps negativity at bay, and helps you feel grounded and secure wherever you go. In this video, we're exploring our favorite crystals for protection to safeguard your energy, protect your space, and even keep you safe while traveling. You'll find links to all the crystals mentioned in this video in the description below. Let's get started. Smoky Quartz, the grounding protector. Smoky Quartz is a master at grounding excess energy and neutralizing negativity. It absorbs and transmutes negative energy, turning it into positive vibrations, helping you feel safe and centered in stressful environments. Associated with the root chakra, Smoky Quartz enhances feelings of stability and grounding, making it a must-have for emotional balance. Carry it with you to shield against negativity, or place it in your home to absorb unwanted energy. Use it during meditation to create a calm and secure space for reflection. Black Obsidian, the truth teller. Black obsidian is a natural volcanic glass known for its ability to absorb negativity and reveal hidden truths. It shields your aura while helping you process emotional blockages and gain clarity. Wear black obsidian jewelry to guard against negativity or meditate with it to strengthen your energetic boundaries. Place it in your home to maintain emotional and spiritual protection. Black Tourmaline, the protective shield. Black Tourmaline is one of the most trusted stones for energetic protection. While it neutralizes negativity, regular cleansing can enhance its effectiveness, making it a versatile and low-maintenance option for daily use. Carry black tourmaline in your pocket to block negativity, or place it at your home's entrance to create an energetic barrier. Shungite, the Purifier. Shungite is the ultimate crystal for EMF protection. Known for its grounding and detoxifying properties, this ancient stone blocks electromagnetic radiation from electronics and purifies your energy field. Over 2 billion years old, Shungite has been trusted for its ability to shield against modern-day energy drains, making it indispensable for those surrounded by technology. Place Shungite near your electronics to reduce EMF exposure, or carry it with you to purify your energy throughout the day. The next two crystals offer powerful spiritual and psychic shielding you won't want to miss. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use extra protection in their life. Now, back to the list. Labradorite, the magic shield. Labradorite protects your aura from unwanted energies and enhances intuition, making it perfect for spiritual work. Sometimes known as the Stone of Magic, its iridescent flashes are said to represent its ability to shield you from negativity while opening gateways to higher realms. Wear Labradorite as jewelry to protect your aura, or use it during meditation to enhance your spiritual growth. Angelite, the guardian stone. Angelite provides spiritual protection and peace by connecting you to higher realms. It shields against psychic attacks while promoting a calm and serene environment. Known as the Stone of Angelic Communication, Angelite enhances your connection with spiritual guides and offers emotional support during challenging times. Place Angelite in your meditation space to create a peaceful atmosphere. Carry it with you to stay emotionally balanced and protected throughout the day. Turquoise, the traveler's stone. Turquoise is the ultimate stone for protection during travel. It has been used for centuries as a talisman to ward off harm and ensure safety. Many cultures revere turquoise as a symbol of peace and protection, making it an excellent companion for physical and emotional well-being on the go. Wear turquoise as jewelry or keep it in your travel bag to protect against accidents and misfortune. Place it in your car or luggage for added safety during your journey. With these powerful crystals, you're ready to protect your energy, create balance, and feel grounded in any situation. Scan this QR code or check the links in the description to easily access all the crystals featured in this video. This video is part of our Crystals for Every Intention series, where we explore the best crystals to enhance every aspect of your life. Ready for more? Watch the next video in our energy healing playlist to discover even more ways to protect and elevate your energy.